Today I'm going to use 100% cotton macrame yarn, these two colors, and 6mm crochet hook. Now hold both strands together and do a slip knot. So when you do a slip knot, always don't too tight it, leave it loose here. Now hold one strand in your index finger and the other strand in your thumb. So always make sure this is loose. Yarn over, hold it here tight. So make sure these two are loose and pull through the other color like this. Now hold again the same position. Always make sure this is loose. Yarn over, hold it tight here, pull through and leave it loose here. Again hold together, hold in the same position, yarn over, hold, keep your thumb here to hold and pull through and keep it loose. Again same position, yarn over, hold your thumb here, pull through. It's very simple and easy. Once you start that, it will flow through and you will catch it very quickly. So this code is very easy and you can use this for many projects like strap for the bag or code for a crochet bag, or you can use it for a keychain, or you can make a bracelet like this, or you can even use for a flower pot, hanging basket for a flower pot. That's it. Very easy and simple and sturdy for your bag. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe if you like to learn more type of crochet steps or code. I'll see you in my next video.